Prism is a parametric system that adds a greater degree of control over device parameters. In many devices besides spinner inputs are buttons that have a diamond icon. These parameters are Prism capable. Clicking this button opens a dialog which displays the name of the parameter and two buttons that toggle between constant and parametric modes. By default, constant is selected. Clicking the other icon enables Prism and displays the controls below. Start and end define the range of parameter values, which are interpolated in steps by object order and a curve. The default order is object selection, which means the parameter of the first object selected will have the value of the start input, and the last object selected will have that of the end input, and all objects in between will have interpolated values. There are several order methods that work similar and optionally in relation to a reference object. They are alphabetical by the order of object name, bounding box by bounding box dimensions, hierarchy by parented order, position by distance, volume by geometry volume, color by wire color intensity, and spline by distance from a reference spline. The default curve is linear, which means the interpolation values will be equidistant with no bias. There are 30 curve presets to choose from and a custom curve editor. The default step mode is smooth, which means each object will have an interpolated value. Setting the step mode to band will interpolate the values by the number of groups defined. The reverse button flips the order. The preview button colors the selected object's wire color by an order heat map. Clicking OK saves and commits changes. Cancel reverts back to the last state. Lastly, clicking Run while Prism is open will use the current values from the open dialog.